Hello guys, today I explain arithmetic progressive. Arithmetic progressive. Okay, in short, B explain AP. If any series are given, let's see 2, 4, 6, 8 up to dot dot dot. Here we saw T1, T2, T3, T4. Well, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We here saw if we add plus 2 in T1, we get T2. We T2 in T3. Of course, there is a common difference. We get ascending order, but here common difference are same. That means this is a AP. Okay. Next series 25, 20, 15, 10 up to dot dot dot. Here we saw also as a common difference, but here we saw -5. Okay, then we any series we subtract T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2 and we find out the same value. That means these series are in AP. Otherwise, there are no value. There is no same value. That means that series are not AP. Okay. So let's series of sequence of number are AP. Okay, if any series in the sequence number, that called AP. Okay, here is we get ascending order, and here we decreasing order. But here we saw same sequence. Here we could find common difference 2 plus 2, and here we find common difference -5. That means this series are AP. There is no matter ascending order, otherwise descending order. Okay, when as sequence in numbers or in series called AP. Okay, now let's be right here one series 1, 3, okay, be called first term denoted by A. Okay, and we find out the common difference. Common difference denoted by common difference denoted by D. First term denoted by A, second common difference denoted by D, and Tn with terms which is we find out. Okay, if in any series given last term, if we get, okay, this is the last term that we called last term. This is denoted by small l. Okay, first term denoted by A, common difference denoted by D, last term denoted by L, and N is number of terms. Okay, in this series, let's we repeat again. If any series has a sequence of numbers that called AP, and as AP first term is denoted by A, last term denoted by L, common difference denoted by D, and N is the number of terms. Okay, if we find out the given series are AP or not, then we find out common difference, and if there is common difference are same, that means there is its series in AP, otherwise not. If for example if series are 2, 4, 8, 16, okay, we find out this is a APN or not. So we find out T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2, okay, 2, T3 minus T2, 8 minus 4, 4, okay, there is no same difference, that means the series are not in AP. Okay, if series are this, then we find out the T1, T2 minus T1 difference equal to 2, T3 minus T2 difference equal to 2, T4 minus T3 difference equal to 2. That means there is a common difference. That means this series in AP and this series is not AP. Okay. For example, many questions are here. If be given minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 are AP or not, that means T2 minus T1, okay, T2 minus 3.2 minus 1.2. Solution here, minus 3.2, minus plus, this is minus plus 1.2, we subtract here and find out the minus 2. Now we find out T3 minus T2, T3 minus 5 upon 5.2 minus 1.2, find out the value minus 5.2 plus 1.2, answer is 3.2. This is the third term, this is the second, 3.2, okay, 3.2. That means here is the difference are common difference are same, that means this is series are in AP. Okay, we find out T2 minus T1, yeah, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, that means we find out common difference are same, this series are in AP. And any other example, otherwise exercise 7.1 questions, series are 3, 3 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 3 root 2, okay. Last, this is T1, T2, T3, T4, we find out the D. T2 minus T1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3 equal to root 2, T3 minus T2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Solution, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. This cancel and this subtract, answer minus root 2. B sire, common difference are same, that means this series are in AP, and common difference root 2, first term 2, okay. Now we find out series if A and D are given, okay. And any questions, if A equal to 10 and D equal to also 10, find the first 4 terms. इसमें first 4 terms बतानी है, otherwise we get series also. Then T1 equal to A, T2 equal to A plus D, T3 equal to A plus 3D. Okay, up to 4. Series are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, up to dot dot dot. This is the general form. Find out the series. Now first term T1 equal to A equal to 10, T2 equal to A plus D, 10 plus 10 equal to 20, and T3 equal to A plus 2D, A 10, 2 into 10, 10 plus 20 equal to 30, T4 equal to A plus 3D, 10 plus 3 into 10, 10 plus 30 equal to 40. These are the first four terms, 10, 20, 30, 40. And we are also write here series 10, 20, 30, 40 up to dot dot dot. Okay. If A and D also given, we find out the series, otherwise terms. Okay.